There was a time when a rustle in the grass could end you. Not metaphorically, not socially, end you completely. Tall grass, dusk, something moves. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's dinner. Maybe it's teeth. Those who ignored too many rustles didn't leave descendants. They got Darwined. That sensitivity, that curiosity wasn't optional. It was survival. Over time, the brain settled into a simple rule. When something might matter, check. We still run on that ancient rule. It just checks different grass now. That vibration in your pocket that isn't there, a phantom buzz that sends your hand searching, only to remember the phone is on the nightstand. Same circuitry, new environment. Nature built the circuit. Modern systems learn how to wire into it. Marketing, media, platforms, they don't invent curiosity, they activate it. We complain about clickbait. You won't believe what happened next. This changed everything. What they never taught you. We roll our eyes. We click it. Sometimes we share it. We don't click because we're foolish. We click because something in us still responds to uncertainty. It might matter. Same rustle, different hustle. Your brain dislikes unanswered questions. It treats them like unfinished business. Close the loop, and your brain rewards you. Relief, novelty, resolution. What was that actor's name? You check. That notification turns out to be about you. The group text gets interesting, and you check it again before the light turns green. It isn't stupidity. It's chemistry. The brain often rewards the chase much more than the catch. Anticipation spikes attention. Uncertainty sharpens focus. Casinos figured this out long ago. A machine that pays every time gets boring. A machine that pays unpredictably keeps you pulling the lever. Scroll. Or maybe a little more. One more time. The rustle in the grass has been replaced by a small rectangle of light, eyes lit from below by the glow of a screen. Not a campfire, not a sunset, just the latest rustle. This pattern existed long before Wi-Fi. Newspapers in the 1800s ran headlines engineered for outrage. Publishers learned that crisis travels faster than nuance. Dime novels promised blood and revenge on their covers. And Barnum didn't sell tickets. He sold anticipation. And Roman arenas advertised spectacle before the gates even opened. Promise, uncertainty, exaggeration. It's an old formula. And for all its potential mischief, that same ancient wiring has also built extraordinary things. What's over that hill? What's behind that door? What if we figured out how to... Curiosity put ships in oceans. It ventured into space. It explored the structure of the atom and mapped the genome. The rustle isn't evil. It kept us alive. It helped us advance. But something changes. When anticipation becomes what's being sold, when the next thing becomes the point, when the substance grows quiet, when does the rechecking become the reason? The meeting grows dull, and solitaire feels productive. The room is quiet. That ad-supported game suddenly isn't. A social event where everyone is present, but not quite here. Sometimes the reaction slowly becomes the relationship, and we don't notice it happening. We evolved to reduce uncertainty when it mattered. We did not evolve for uncertainty to be engineered for us at scale by systems designed to keep the loop open. No villain, just ancient wiring meeting modern incentives. The ancient Rustle warned of predators. The modern Rustle often whispers about relevance. That's a different kind of threat. When stimulation becomes constant, reality feels slow. And slow begins to feel like danger. And conversation pauses. And silence stretches. And we reach for something that rustles. In 1890, you bought one newspaper. Now you carry the machine everywhere. It fits in your pocket. It hums, it glows, it never really stops rustling. The ones who responded to uncertainty survived. The ones who didn't. And that's why we're here. Clickbait isn't new. It's ancient wiring meeting a modern scale. So here's the ounce. Curiosity built us. Compulsion can undo us. The difference is whether you're exploring or being pulled. Staying alive once meant scanning the grass. Now it might mean letting the grass move and not answering every rustle. That's it. An ounce submitted for your consideration.